Want barista-quality coffee in under a minute? The Keurig K-Classic delivers perfect single-serve coffee with just one button. Meet the Keurig K-Classic single-serve coffee maker, the simplest way to brew your favorite K-cup pods. With 3 brew sizes and a large 48-ounce removable water reservoir, it's perfect for homes and offices. 3 brew sizes. Large 48-ounce removable water reservoir. Simple one-button operation. Fast brewing in under 1 minute. Compatible with all K-cup pods. Energy-efficient auto-off. Compact design saves space. The Keurig K-Classic makes morning coffee effortless. Wake up to perfect coffee every day. Get yours now. Like, comment and subscribe for more appliance reviews.